spray gun is the main tool of spraying. It uses compressed air to atomize the paint sprayed out of the nozzle, and the paint is atomized into fine and uniform paint mist by air sprayed from the gap gun before it is applied onto the vehicle body surface and forms a uniform and glossy film. To get done with spray with high quality, it is necessary to select and maintain the spray gun correctly. Two kinds of spray guns are used in automotive repair work: gravity spray gun and upward suction spray gun. Allowing the position of paint can, they may also be referred to as upper can spray gun and lower can spray gun. The paint can of gravity type spray gun is located above the spray gun, and the paint is sucked out and atomized by its own gravity and the negative pressure at the nozzle. The gravity feed spray gun features easy and flexible operation and is an ideal tool for small area coating. The paint can of upward suction type spray gun is located below the paint nozzle, and the paint is introduced into the nozzle with the aid of suction force generated at the nozzle. The paint cup capacity of the upward suction type spray gun is big, therefore it is more suitable for large area painting operation. Spray guns are divided into top coat spray gun and primer spray gun. Requirements for top coat spray gun spraying: capable of atomizing the paint into fine particles, capable of ensuring relatively thin paint film, and capable of achieving top coat with relatively thinner and even post-spray paint film and texture. Caliber of spray gun: 1 mm to 1.5 mm. Spraying requirement for primer spray gun: with relatively high paint output, suitable for spraying coating with relatively high viscosity and large film thickness such as primer. Caliber of spray gun: 1.5 mm to 2 mm. Spray gun structure. Spray gun structure. The spray gun is composed mainly of a gun can, flowing adjusting knob, air pressure adjusting knob, spraying breath adjusting, gun nozzle, and gun needle, trigger, and gun cap. Spray can. Used to hold the paint. In the construction work, it is recommended to fill the can to 70 to 80% of its capacity. Do not fill the can with too much paint to avoid the paint from overflowing and dripping onto the panels being painted. Flow adjusting knob. Used to adjust the stroke of the gun needle, screw off the knob to increase the opening stroke of the gun needle and increase the flow rate of the paint. Screw down the knob to reduce the opening stroke of the gun needle and reduce the paint flow. Air pressure adjusting knob. The knob is used to adjust the air supply pressure of compressed air. Screw off the knob to increase the compressed air pressure and increase the atomization degree of the coating. Screw down the knob to reduce the atomization degree of the compressed air pressure and atomization degree of the coating. Spray breath adjusting knob. The spray pattern can be changed by changing the amount of air flowing out of the side hole at the gun cap. Screw down the knob to give rise to a more circular spray pattern, or screw off the knob to give rise to an elliptic spray pattern. Gun nozzle and gun needle. Pull the trigger. The gun needle leaves the gun nozzle. The paint is sprayed through the nozzle before it is atomized, and then the gun is atomized. To use a spray gun, it is required to select the caliber of gun nozzle as per the type of paint. Spray gun trigger. The trigger operation is divided into two steps. Pull the trigger first to spray air only. Continue to pull the trigger to spray paint with air. Such a design is intended to ensure perfect atomization of the paint at the initial stage of spray. Cap gun. Compressed air discharged from the cap gun forms a negative pressure at the nozzle, draws the paint out and sprays it in atomized form. The more auxiliary atomization holes are there in the gun cap, the more compressed air is ejected, and the higher the atomization degree gets. Turn the gun cap 90 degrees so that the spray breath is changed from vertical to horizontal form, and the horizontal spray breath is usually used for the spray breath test. Vertical spray breath is used for conventional spraying operations. In that end, through the introduction of the above contents, we hope you can master the characteristics and structure of all kinds of spray guns skillfully, and can properly select and maintain the spray guns during construction. In future practice, you can keep in learning and summarizing.